it is time for the, I said I was going to stop saying hot girl walk because I don't want to imply that I'm a hot girl, but I'm out here walking and it's hot. Like, it's 95 degrees. Not right now technically, but it's evening time and I'm out here. I have on my black girl sunscreen and I have on some copper tone because I'm trying to get, tan, y'all. I'm trying to up that melanin. For those of you who watch, who know my daddy, I mean, he is the best complexion ever. So is my daughter. But anyway, I'm just out here getting my walk on. So it's a fit girl walk. It's a hot girl walk because it's hot. Summer's hot. But anyway, I just wanted to come on to say, hey, have you gotten there? It's hump day, Wednesday. We're midweek. How many times have you walked? How many times have you exercised? How many times have you taken a self-inventory on your fitness? So this is not a fitness channel or fitness. I'm not a fitness guru, y'all. But like I said in my last one, just trying to be an encouragement to get folks out there because, hey, you only have one you. There's only one you, right? So it's hot. I do have my Vita Coco water here. I'm just taking my time. I have on a yoga top. I know it looks like I've probably swimwear on, but it's a yoga top. And just, for those who would like to know. And that's it. We're about to go do this neighborhood at least twice and get our mileage in. So that's all. Bye for now. All right, I'm back for a little chit chat moment because it's so hot. I'm under a tree, have a little water. Excuse me if I sound winded, but I've been walking almost 2 miles now. But I thought it was so cute when I run into people who, like a year or two ago when we used to walk our puppy out in the neighborhood, people, I guess we developed a rapport and we would stop and talk to people. Now when I'm out here walking, because Booby's no longer a puppy, and he's like, yeah, right. But I'm walking, and I'm like, I've been doing this for like 5 years. Before the dog, no one stopped and talked. And now, after like not walking him around the neighborhood, people are like, they look, they're like, do I know you? Do I not know you? I think I know you. But they don't stop and talk, which I'm glad of. I'm friendly and all, but I'm on a mission out here, right? So it's just so funny. It tickles me when people look like, didn't I used to talk to you? Aren't you the lady with the dog? With the puppy or whatever. But anyway, I just thought I would share that. That's so cute, so funny. Any pet moms and dads out there, tell me, what do you do? Do you just let your dog kind of roam the yard, or do you still walk your dog? Just a question. All right, I'm gonna resume my walk. I've gotten a little breather and the wind is really blowing. It's supposed to storm this evening and in about maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours. I don't know what time it is right now, but I'm trying to get this in before the storm. But as you can see, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. So anyway, let me continue on. And look at the backdrop. Look at the rolling hills. I just love it. I love walking. I love walking in my neighborhood. It gives you a lot of peace and serenity. And all right, I don't know how long this is going to be. It really started out to be just a walking video, but I'll make it maybe a little mini vlog. Who knows? All right, because I stopped and took some pictures along the way. But anyway, I did want to share. Got these sunnies at the beach. They kind of remind me of the Alyssa, whatever their name is, I'll put it up. And this top Amazon, of course. The orange set is a double set. I think I got it from Target years ago. And this bum bag is from Amazon. I know I had to jump on there to find some things to share on my marketplace. So anyway, that is all, guys. Signing out. Looks like I got in just in time. Whew. Those clouds are moving in. Moving in, y'all. Whew. Thank you, Lord. It's beautiful though, just to see all this. I love it. Okay guys, so now that I am done with my outside mileage, it's time to go downstairs to our weight room or fitness room, whatever we call it, to work on my arms, yes, and my core. So we're almost done, and then we did meal prepping from this really sweet lady, and I'll interject a little clip or video or her name or her @ or handle or whatever, because what we had last night was really good. Portobello mushrooms as the meat, and really wonderfully cooked string beans and spicy rice. And also like I guess it was kind of like a stir fry faux beef. I mean, we're doing like vegan meals. So the meat was like kind of like it would be like if we had like a beef stir fry or pepper steak stir fry with basmati rice and a really good vinaigrette. I would never have done that. So anyway, tonight I'm looking forward to what we're gonna have. We have a ton of choices. She made like vegan burgers and potatoes as like, you know, home fries or fries. We also have like a protein spaghetti type of meal. So anyway, looking forward to that. I think the storm is headed here. The lights are kind of flickering. So let me get downstairs so I can finish my workout. And I will see you guys, probably finishing it out here, guys. So encouraging you, motivating you to get going, get moving, get pumping. All right, bye for now, guys. And I do follow up my cocoa water with some purified water. This one is by Core Hydration. So yeah, that's what I do. And I don't know, yeah, Core Hydration. You can get this from 7-Eleven, I guess, Walmart, Walgreens, Target, all those good places. All right, that's all.
Watching us.
It's not